Hey guys, in this video, I will guide you through how you can record video from both front and back camera. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To record video from both front and back camera, first you need to download a third-party app because by default iPhone doesn't offer this option. So in order to download the third-party app, you have to open the App Store in your iPhone. Here you can search for any app that you know, as I know one already, so I will go for it, which is Double Take, and then download it. After downloading, you have to just open. So when you open it, by default you will be able to start video recording from both front and back camera. To start video recording, you have to tap on this button. So in order to see these recordings, tap on this option. You can also save these recording by selecting and tapping on this option. Then tap on save video. So that's how you can record video from both front and back camera. That's all for this video. If you really found it helpful, consider subscribing and leave a like. I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.